Hello students, in the previous video we solved the exercise 10.4. Now we are going for the next topic. Okay, before starting the next topic, I want to just ask you, you answer by yourself at your home that have you heard the word puzzle? कभी आपने puzzle word के बारे में सुना है? Yes, it's a one type of game. As you say, आपको पता है कि वो एक टाइप की गेम आती है जिसमें हम डिफरेंट शेप्स होते हैं या फिर इतने सारे छोटे छोटे पीसेस होते हैं जिसका यूज करके हम एक पिक्चर बना सकते हैं या फिर हम कुछ और बना सकते हैं. मीन्स यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द पजल. इवन you know there are many puzzle games available in our play store also, right? So here we are going to learn now one puzzle. हम अब मैथ्स में पजल सीख रहे हैं. अभी एक नया टॉपिक आया है उसको हम सीखने वाले हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड द वन पजल नेम टेनग्राम्स. As I say you, it's a one type of puzzle. सिंपल एक वन टाइप की पजल है जिसको आपको सिर्फ खेलना है. मतलब खेलना तो मैं नहीं बोल सकती, लेकिन बहुत अच्छे से उसका यूज करके आपको एक इफेक्टिव वे रिप्रेजेंट करना है. दिस इज द चैप्टर ऑफ द जियोमेट्री. फर्स्ट वी लर्न द टॉपिक शेप्स, राइट? प्लेन शेप्स and the solid shapes, right? So puzzle will be made with use of the plane shapes. Some of the plane shapes are used for to make a puzzle that is called the tengrams. What is the tengrams? Tengrams is a one type of puzzle that use 7 type of shapes. Tengram is one type of puzzle that use seven shapes. Okay, first it will be used two large triangles, one medium triangle, two small triangles, one square and one parallelogram. Okay, so triangles mostly you can see that are the 5 triangles we have to be used. Then we have used the one square and we are going to use one parallelogram. That is the shape of this parallelogram. It's a like a rectangle, but उसकी जो side होगी वो थोड़ी cross में होगी. I will show you all the steps to you. Okay, so first two large size triangles, triangle, one medium size triangle, two small size triangles, one square and one parallelogram that will be in the shape of this. This is called the parallelogram. You have to be pronounced that parallelogram. Okay, square, two small triangles, two large triangles and two medium triangles. Okay, so as you know, nowadays there will be a lockdown and some of the shops are not opened yet of the stationery. but you can make these shapes at your home. I will also attach the video how to make the 10 gram shapes, 10 gram puzzle shapes that will be easily available in the market. But if you don't want to go outside of your home, then you can make 10 gram shapes at your home. That will be, I attach the video of that to you. I will show you the shapes of that. Large triangle, this is the large triangle. Second large triangle. Medium triangle. Square. Small triangle. This is also a small triangle compared to the large. And last, that is the parallelogram. Okay, so these are the shapes that I also made at the home. You can use these coloring papers as well. I use the other also. I made the other also here. You can see that different colors are there I have. But if you don't have this type of pages, then you can use your notebook page, but you have to make it square and then you have to cut them. Okay, I also attach a video that will be show how to make the 10 gram puzzle shapes, right? If you learn how to make the shape, then we are go ahead for the 10 gram puzzle. उसके बाद ही हम सीखेंगे कि 10 ग्राम पजल कैसे बनाना है और किस तरह से करना है. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, 10 ग्राम पजल कैसे बनता है विथ यूज ऑफ द 7 शेप्स ओनली. अगर वो 6 शेप्स आप लेते हो तो 10 ग्राम वो नहीं कहलाएगा, right? It's a compulsory for the 10 gram that you have to use the 7 shapes. Okay, that is depend on you how much you can carry for you, how much you can see that this is one large triangle and this is an also a large triangle, but shape of both are different. So you can choose your choice shape. मतलब आप अपनी साइज चूज कर सकते हो कि आपको इतना बड़ा चाहिए, इतना छोटा चाहिए या फिर उससे भी छोटा चाहिए. I have also that, right? That is depend on you. This is the smaller, larger and the larger. Okay, if you are using the notebook page, then what should you have to do? You have to just do the one thing, cut the shapes that I show you in the next video and color it with the use of the chalk color or the pencil color. I just suggest you don't use the sketch pen just because it will be trace the shadow of the paper and sometimes it will be thrown off. So that's why please use the crayons or the pencil colors for the color of the shape. And do one thing also, whenever you made 2 large triangles, both colors will be same like this. I also made that for the colors. For example, I am using the large triangle, that will be I colored the red for the both large triangles. Okay, so these are the both large triangles, both colors are red. So like that you can also do that. Then medium triangle, I choose the pink color. Square, green. Small triangles, both colors have a same, that is color of blue. I use the crayons for that, that will be best for me, I think. And for the parallelogram, I use the orange color. So that is depend on you which color you are using. But I just suggest you use that color, that will be show you the effectiveness of your puzzle, जिसको देखते ही बहुत अच्छा लगे. और next tomorrow I will show you the some of the 10 gram puzzles, how to make it, and you have to try it by yourself. Now we are free from the learning, we are not doing the sum of the sums and all. Now we are going to do the practice of the puzzle. We are going to play the puzzle here. Okay, so here on the next video, please watch the how to make the 10 gram shapes, and compulsory you have to make it, just because on the Saturday when we meet, you have to make a 10-gram puzzle on behalf of me. आपको मेरे सामने ही बनाना पड़ेगा. Okay, so have a good day. Please watch the video and make your shapes. Okay students, here we are going to learn how to make a 10-gram shapes. First of all, to make the 10-gram shapes, you need a 1 square paper. You have to be compulsory take the square paper. That if you taking the rectangle paper, the shapes will be not made properly. Then you need a pencil, scissor and the scale. 4 things you need for this. Okay, so let's start to make the 10-gram shapes. First of all, you have to fold the paper like this. And just do the scratch on the paper slightly, not a dark. Okay, then draw a 1 line like this. Okay, then you have to fold again the paper like this. That will be an opposite direction of the first one. Then you have to take the center of the paper and draw a 1 line at the one side like this. Okay, then on this side you have to take the point of this paper and go to the center of this page like this and fold it and slight scratch on the paper. Draw a 1 line for that. Then draw a 1 line from the center to this point. Like this. Then from this point draw a line on this first line that we already drawn. Then turn the page and from the above triangle draw a 1 line to this line. That will be make a small size triangle, and this will be paragonal. Now you have to cut all the things. First of all, I cut 2 large size triangles. Cut from the center. That we already draw a line with use of the pencil. You can see that 2 large size triangles are here. Now I am going to cut the medium size triangle. Okay, 3 steps we can got now. Then I cut the parallelogram. Okay, so 4 shapes are here. Then I cut 1 small size triangle, again small size triangle here, and finally we got the square. So we are getting all the 7 shapes that will be used for the 10 grams. Okay, 2 large size triangles, 1 medium size triangle, 2 small size triangles, 1 parallelogram and the 1 square. Okay, so using of these materials and papers, you can make your own 10-gram shapes, and you can also use our notebook papers. Thank you so much.